Today we are going to unbox the Synology DS1823xs storage device built for SMBs. Let's dive right in. First, we have two power cords inside the box, which is great for ensuring you have the necessary connections for redundancy and uninterrupted power supply. Next, we have a quick start guide which provides all the essential setup instructions. That's pretty much everything that comes in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the device itself. The DS1823xs Plus is an 8-bay NAS, which means you can install up to 8 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives in here. The front has a clean, minimalist design, typical of Synology. See how easy that was? No tools needed. Just snap in your drive and you're good to go. Moving to the back, we've got dual power ports, which is great for redundancy, two 1 GBE ports and two 10 GBE ports for ultra-fast network connectivity. You also have multiple USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports and an expansion port if you want to add more drives later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.